Hey everybody, I'm TheBardsKitchen.
And I'm the Cup of Fun.
And today, we're feeling a bit sweet.
And savory.
Is it savory?
Yeah, kind of. We're making cookie dough. Out of beans.
Out of beans.
Beans. Where have you been all my life?
Making some cookie dough out of beans. We're gonna do... Making cookie dough out of beans. We're gonna make 3 different ones today.
Do some experimenting, some testing around. We're gonna do it.
Yeah.
This is a common vegan snack type item. Shout out to the vegans out there. I see you.
Yeah, so let's get started.
Yeah. Alright, here we have it. This is a simple recipe. It only calls for 6 ingredients. Number 1, arguably the most important, the beans.
Kind of a nice noise. Just
Good ASMR right there. This is going to make the base of it, and when ground up, look like cookie dough. Recreate the sugar creamed in with the butter. Ashley, why are you fingering the beans? You need some kind of binding thingy. You need a binder in your life? We're using a good go-to King Arthur cup for cup gluten-free flour. You can use regular flour. You can use oatmeal. You can use flaxseed. Use something to help hold things together and give it good consistency.
Here we also have vanilla, which adds our nice flavor. This is about a tablespoon. Teaspoon, I'm sorry, 2 teaspoons-ish. So you need some kind of sweetener. It doesn't necessarily have to be simple syrup like we have here. You can use honey or maple syrup or whatever. Agave, whatever you'd like to use to sweeten things. Preferably liquid though, so it spreads nicely.
Does it make it all grainy and weird?
Mm-hmm.
We use simple syrup because we have it.
And last but not least,
Not quite last.
one of the last things before we mix it, is butter of some sort, whether it be peanut butter or almond butter or whatever you like. I'm allergic to nuts and peanuts, so I'm just gonna use some sunflower butter.
We're gonna use about a 1/4 cup in here. Look at
It's
that.
nice and thick.
Yeah, punch the camera again. Now we're gonna take all that goodness and just kind of blend it together into a pasty goodness. We're coming to an issue here. It's possible we added too much flour, and now it's just a dry ball of balls. I think we're gonna add some more liquid to try to liquid it up. What liquid do you add to beans, Ashlyn?
Bean liquid.
How about some bean juice? Some good old aquafaba. That looks more like something.
It's gonna be a bit like cookie dough.
It looks like cookie dough?
Yeah, a bit.
Okay, it's nice and pulsed. We moved it over to its own little vessel. Nice little bowl. So it's easier to mix in chocolate chips.
Oh, that's a lot. It might be half chocolate chips.
There we go. If you look at it, looks like cookie dough. See that cookie dough? Cookie dough.
Not actual cookie dough.
Kind of tastes like it. I've noticed, first time using the sunflower butter, peanut butter does a much better job. Let me tell you.
But I'm allergic to peanuts, so...
That does the trick. Now there's an issue with this though. Ashlyn's mother, Melissa. Hey Melissa, how you doing? Is allergic to chickpeas. So we're gonna try this again. We're gonna use pinto beans and see what happens. This one's gonna be very similar to the last one. We're gonna use pinto beans instead of chickpeas. Or beans. Our vanilla, once again. More simple syrup. A pinch of salt. We forgot to say it in the last one, but beans like salt. It's not going to make it salty, it's just going to bring out some of that flavor, make it nice and sweet and delicious.
Sweetness. So we also have the sun butter again, but my mother is actually allergic to sunflowers as well, and nuts and any tree nut. So there's actually even a substitute called soy butter you can use.
Awesome, coconut butters.
Yeah, apparently coconut butter exists. I didn't know that was a thing.
We're going to try excluding the flour this time, because it got a little dry and weird last time. I'm just going to grind it like this and see what happens. Okay guys, so we tried that again. Didn't use flour that time, because it got a little dry last time, and now it's a bit liquidy. So we're just going to add a little bit of flour and give it some more time to pulse them. Don't leave the flour out. We learned that. It's better consistency now. Cookie dough.
I think the type of beans we used also, I think, affected the texture.
Yeah, the pintos instead. We're going to transfer it again. Once again, transferring into a new container. Adding chocolate chips and mixing those bad boys in. And there you go. Hey Melissa, you're watching this. Using pinto beans. It's nice, it's smooth. I think this one tastes better than the chickpea one. So, this is great. Chickpeas are great.
Mm-hmm.
But what about chocolate?
I love chocolate.
What if we make a chocolate chip bean cookie dough?
You know, I haven't heard anybody doing that before, but I think we should try it.
Let's do it. Okay, now approaching life at a new angle. We're gonna start again. Chickpeas. Illy vanilli.
We got flour, but we did half the flour this time, so we can have a tablespoon of cocoa powder instead, which is sticking to the bottom. We should use a spoon. And the sunflower butter.
Nice slow drizzle there.
Ooh, that might have been too much, but it's fine.
And of course our sweetness. Going back to our old above head angle, we're going to add the chocolate chips to our nice chocolate cookie dough.
Yes.
And mix it together until we have dough. Now it's all mixed together, chocolate chips included. We're going to put it in a bowl and all that stuff just to eat it.
Yeah, man, I can't wait. So here we have it, the 3 versions of vegan cookie dough.
We got a regular original recipe, pinto beans for those who can't have chickpeas, and chocolate chip. And if you ever wanted to bake this cookie dough for whatever weird reason, you heathen, they bake just fine. Just like a cookie.
Just like a cookie.
So we got 3 cookie doughs. We got 3 pieces of cookie. I think we need 3 people to try them. Dimitri!
Ah!
Want to eat some cookie dough?
Heck yeah!
Alright. We got our trusty kitty spoons.
Some kitty spoons. Designated tasting spoons.
Okay guys, I think we should start right in the middle with the original recipe.
Chip in there.
Yeah man, the chip's important.
Got a chip on your shoulder?
Tink.
Is some big person Tink? Should we not do that? Are we copying someone?
Oh, it's just fun.
Make sure you clean your spoon.
I think it tastes like chickpeas.
Yeah. Tastes like chocolate hummus.
Huh. I think there's some lacking. We made some mistakes.
Oh,
Simple syrup may have not been the way to go. Peanut butter makes a big difference.
Peanut butter does make a big difference, but I can't have that, so...
Honey instead of simple syrup. Not vegan though. Agave would have worked maybe. Maybe brown sugar? Make it more cookie-like?
Maybe.
These are thoughts. We're having thoughts right now. We're getting to the pinto. This is the Melissa safe one. Hey Melissa.
Okay.
Better.
I don't want to taste a lot better.
Pinto beans have a creaminess to them.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and last, chocolate chip. Guys, this is a secret for the world. I don't actually like chocolate that much.
yes. No taste.
It was his idea. Oh yeah, that's right.
But the world likes chocolate.
I like that one.
So it might be the chocolate topping. I think that was the best.
Chocolate, you weirdos.
I think... I thought I added too much I thought I added too much sun butter to this. Maybe it was just the right amount.
Huh. We'll reflect these notes in our recipe when we type her up. But in the description, it'll be a recipe, and those notes will be there. We're not done yet, though. There's one last thing.
Okay.
It's baked, yo. Since the original recipe, just put it in the oven. 350, 15 minutes?
Ish.
It's there. I think it's better as dough.
Me too.
I think it's better cooked.
We have an outlier.
Although it's not sweet.
Dimitri,
Yeah.
welcome to our home. You live here
way.
also.
I've never been here before in my life.
You weren't sitting in the next room playing Fire Emblem at all.
No.
Black Eagles for life.
No, golden deer all the way.
I don't know, we don't third house, guys.
Dimitri, what do you think of our dips here? Our dip dough cookie stuff.
Again, I could be heathen, but I like the chocolate more. The regular just tastes like chickpeas with chocolate. And the other thing didn't taste like a cookie dough.
Someone's getting
It tasted
impatient.
like something else. There's a Danny in the shop.
It's past the cat's
It's past their
feeding time.
feeding time. So she's eating scraps out of her bowl.
That's
fine.
where the food is.
That's where the food is. And she knows it.
Cool, thanks Dimitri, go away.
Okay,
That's our buddy Dimitri, Spacey Ghost. There'll be a link somewhere.
Somewhere. Maybe, if I remember. Hopefully.
subscribe.
thanks for watching, guys. Thank you for joining us in our kitchen with this vegan, gluten-free, egg-free recipe. Yay, allergens. It's also not free because my life's complicated. But yeah, so I'll put the recipes down below. We'll adjust them as we see fit. And thanks for watching.
If there's something that you can't have that you want to have, let us know. We'll try to make it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. It's fun. Thank you. And we'll see you in the next recipe.
You guys are awesome. Bye-bye.